Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In the last video, we discussed into the structure of the lactose, and we cleared the concept with examples. And in today's video, we're looking into the sucrose structure. If you don't watch the previous video, do watch it because I have cleared different concepts in that as well. Like in this video, in the last video, discussed that the what we say, the carbohydrate bond, the glycosidic bond between the carbohydrates is found between the OH in the cross section, not in the parallel section and or the linear section. That was a great concept and was one of the basic concept which is not to forget. And I have got cleared that in the last video. Do I would recommend to watch the last video. In the biology playlist you would find that. Today we're looking into maltose structure. So maltose is kind of a very common sugar. It is the table sugar, and we're looking into whatever we're studying lactose, maltose, and fructose. Uh, we'll be looking into their details in the upcoming videos, like where they are consumed and how they are used in our daily lives. We are just now looking into the structures. So uh, we have looked into maltose. Today we're looking into sucrose. In the very first structure video, we looked into that sucrose. So the sucrose is found by alpha glucose, alpha glucose, alpha glucose, and when we add alpha glucose plus beta fructose, beta fructose, alpha glucose plus beta fructose. Now we will be checking what sort of bond is formed. The glycosidic bond is formed, but which glycosidic bond is formed? In this case, the first one is alpha, so the alpha bond would be formed alpha uh, alpha 1 2 glycosidic bond forms. Let me draw the alpha. So alpha 1 2 glycosidic bond forms. Let me draw their structures and make the structure for you guys. As we do know that the glucose, alpha glucose, we are known about the structure. Let me see if I can find that upward, and I just copy that. Okay, so I have got those. This is alpha glucose, and let me copy this. This is alpha glucose structure, and you can take this out. We have discussed about this structure many times. Just I'm not drawing it again because that consumes times. You have a special video for the structure, so don't panic about it. So here is just a change right now. H and OH. H is up. That means it is alpha. Now alpha glucose we have got. What is the second element? That is the beta fructose. We have not drawn beta fructose yet, and today we are drawing that. Do remember that beta fructose is a 5-cornered ring that would be not same as the glucose and the other one. It would be like, and let me draw that. If you have got this, now let me draw this one. Fructose is like somewhat like this, top we have got H, and here is the C first comes over here, and here comes the HOCH2. Now do remember this is beta fructose, and OH would be up, right? OH would be upper side. and this is beta fructose. Now you may be thinking why we have got CH2OH on this C first, because uh, in the case of the fructose we have got the oxygen double bond on the second carbon, and the top one side is clear, and that is fulfilled by CH2OH. And on here CH2OH, and it also gets covered. And now we've got uh, for you let me look for an online picture to make it more clear. Like, you will be confused why we are, why we this all is forming. Let me take out the online picture and make you understand that thing. Now here I am again back with a beautiful structure, and that would be making you more clear. Like, we have got here, we have got C first, this one C first, and H2OH, and we got a carbon atom. And the third we have got the H and OH, and for OH and H, C4 is different in this case. C5H up and C6H12O6 on 6 carbon. Now let me copy and paste the same structure from this side. Sorry. Okay, so here it is. What will happen is this, we got uh, let me remove take out the carbon and all that. Now what will happen is that the OH would become from the first change. The OH would become from this one, and from one what would be coming out is this thing, right? And that would be like this is beta fructose. So let me do some sort of changes. This is alpha structure made. Now let me do a thing over here. OH2 will come over here. CH2 is not here because this is beta, right? So we do remember that beta OH is up. OH is here. Now CH2OH, CH2OH. This is the thing. Now the OH and H, we have found a cross section for these both. H from first we'll go for this. This is the thing. Now I'm just waiting for a while that you understand what happened. This is a beta fructose, so OH would be up and CH2OH would be down. This one would be down. Now OH will release from the first the alpha glucose, and the H would be released from the second one, and oxygen comes in mid between. Now what will happen? I'm just raising this all. I do over the concept. Raising the oxygen and all this. Oxygen come in between. Now over here, thing will happen. This thing all get raised, and now what will happen? We have got remaining H from the second side, right? And the mid oxygen comes. And on this side we've got hydrogen. Hydrogen on this side. Hydrogen remaining on this side. That will be coming over here. This is hydrogen. This is oxygen over here, and a glycosidic 1,2 glycosidic alpha glycosidic bond is formed, and this is how it works. So I do hope that you learned. uh, did you find any mistake yet? If you not, so your concepts are not clear. We have got OH on the upper side, right? So the H would also get remained, and what will happen is the oxygen will go over here attached to this side, and now this is the thing. This is the the final structure. So you need to do practice, and you would understand this. Meet you guys in the next video. Till that, goodbye.